Question 8, find the missing side in each triangle using any method. You can use the Pythagorean theorem, you can use similar triangles, you can use trig functions. It doesn't matter what you use. For me, I would probably use Pythagorean theorem. Actually, you can't use trig functions in this one because we don't know what this angle is. We know that these two angles are congruent to each other, but we don't know what those angles are. So our options are either to use similar triangles, setting up a ratio, setting up proportion, or Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem. 3 squared plus x squared is equal to 5 squared. So 3 squared is 9. X squared, we're going to leave as x squared. 5 squared is 25. Subtract 9 from both sides, so we get x squared is equal to 16. Last step is always to take the square root on both sides, so x is equal to 4. So x over here is equal to 4. Now for the other one, I'll show you how to use proportions. So y is what we're trying to figure out. So when I set up my proportion, I always like to start with the variable that we're looking for. So y over, and we go and look for the corresponding part in the other triangle. So y over 5 is equal to, and it doesn't matter which other side I use because I know all three of the sides over here. So we'll just use 9 and 3. 9 over 3. And I have to have 9 on the top because y is on the top and they're from the same triangle. So those two pieces have to correspond, these two pieces have to correspond, and then these two have to correspond, and these two have to correspond. So when we solve this one, we just do cross multiplication. So y times 3 is 3y. 9 times 5 is 45. Make those equal to each other, divide both sides by 3, and so y is equal to 15.